So what does it actually mean to have the right data foundations for AI? What does AI readiness mean? That's probably another term you've been hearing a lot. We think about it in 4 pillars: availability, modeling, quality, and governance and security. Availability means you actually need to bring all the relevant data to one place. This also will include new challenges, like you're going to need unstructured data, maybe data sets that you didn't have before. It's not just the recent data, you also need to give agents access to historical data, because many times analysis would need to include comparison between past and current state. You need to make everything discoverable, not for people, but for agents, which is different. When you think about modeling for AI, things need to be very clear and well defined. There is a kind of mess that people know how to work around. Agents don't know how to work around mess. They need things to be very, very clear. And part of it is also semantically. People can maybe work around, and when they have dilemmas, they can negotiate and talk about it, but agents can't, and they need very clear definitions. When we're talking about quality, freshness gets a whole new level of importance with AI because things happen very fast, very live. Coverage around data products, around metrics of testing also is going to become much more important, again, because the consequences of bad data are wider now. You need to have efficient triage and response processes because you're going to have a lot more going on. So you need to respond faster to be able to scale it. And you'll need to have some way of having a live data health status that is not just internal, but can also be shared, kind of an API between agents and the data of not only what's the data I need to use, where is it, what the meaning of it, also what's its current health status. And in terms of governance and security, you're going to need access control to keep those regulations, PII protection, exactly which agent should have access to which data set. Everything would need to be very well documented, very well tagged in order for this to work at scale safely. We actually feel that governance and security is a really big barrier today for organizations because they don't feel confident to move forward with AI without having the right guardrails.